Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter BIOS on Microsoft Surface Studio 2 laptop. First of all, make sure to shut down your device entirely. To do that, go to Power Options and select Shut Down. Wait until the computer is turned off. And after that, you're gonna have to press and hold the F4 key on your keyboard right here. And while holding down the F4 key, short press the power button to relaunch your computer. Keep holding F4 button until you enter the BIOS menu. And here we have it. On this PC it is called Surface UEFI or Windows UEFI. And here we have access to all the BIOS functions, which you can reconfigure by going to the respective category on the sidebar and changing values within the right side of your screen. Once you are done, just go to Exit and select Restart Now. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.